Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a really cute look inspired by the precious stone Amethyst. I'm starting out with my eyebrows using a brick red pencil eyeliner by Blitz. This is the basic black liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. that I always use when I do my eyebrows. While I let my eyebrows dry, I use a concealer to get an even base color for my eyes. This color is Toffee. I usually just use the leftover product to clean up my arches. To blend my brows, I'm using the eyebrow pencil Hot Cocoa by Nabi. I use this powdered foundation on my eyes to help tone down the color from the concealer on my eyelids. And it helps to soften that hard line underneath the brows as well. The color for this look today consists of 3 different palettes. The first one is my go-to palette, Urban Luxe by BH Cosmetics. And we're going to be using the lavender to start our eyeshadow build. As we build our color, we want to focus on the middle and the outside of our eyelids. Next, we're going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to be using the darker purple to strengthen the purple that we already have. And when we use this color, we need to start a 30% overlay over the previous lavender section. The last palette is called Zulu's by Juvia, and it's such a beautiful palette, and their products are super highly pigmented. We're going to be using the purple from this palette to intensify what we already have going on in our eyes. The final part of our build for this look is the skin tone color. In my case, it's caramel, and we're using this to create a soft gradient in our eyeshadows. Make sure that this time we're focusing all of the color to the inside of our eyelids and blending to make a good color transition. To start my eyeliner wings, I'm using the basic black liquid eyeliner by Beauty Treats. And to finish my wing, I'm using the basic black eyeliner from e.l.f. The lashes I will be using today are from Christina, and these are the 747 mediums. I'm using the 24/7 Glide On eyeliner by Urban Decay for my lash line. I'm using the same concealer from earlier to cover any blemishes that I might have on my chin. This is the LA Girl Proface Powder Foundation that I'll be using to cover my face today, and this color is Warm Caramel. The color that I'll be using for my lips is one that I've never used before, so this is an experimental look. This is the Soft Matte Lip Cream by NYX, and the color is Havanna. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and also let me know what you think about this look in the comments. Thanks!